Beautiful. And good morning. Vlogmas day 12. Looks so scary right now, but I'm about to record the solo happening, which is our bonus episode of Gals on the Go. Danielle's voice is still gone, so I'm just gonna do a solo, which is fine and easy. So you can check out Gals on the Go, it's always linked down below. And I'm just gonna record this, and then it's 9 o'clock, and then we'll get on with the rest of the day. Okay, I got ready because honestly getting ready just makes me feel so much better too. Like I was just looking in the mirror, I was like, I just don't like the way I look right now. I'm trying to speak more positively about myself, but I just feel more confident when I'm put together. I'm not wearing shoes that match, but I'll still show you guys. It will look better when I'm wearing like booties or something, but I'm just wearing comfy shoes right now because I'm about to go clean out my car. Oh my God, it has been a minute. But I'm road tripping home either tomorrow or the next day. I haven't planned when I'm leaving yet. But this sweater is from ASOS, and then I'm wearing my Spanx leather leggings. I wear a size medium. If you're wondering, I got them when they were 20% off. They are a little bit pricey, but I feel like they wear as pants, you know, like they are leggings and they are comfy like leggings and they like support you like a legging, but I feel as though it's okay if your butt isn't covered, like they wear like a pant, so highly recommend those. So I have to drive home and I'm bringing home a lot of stuff with me, and just my car hasn't been cleaned out in I don't know how long, so I'm going outside with just black trash bag and I'm gonna just clean it out. I never do this. I really could use like a car wash slash like vacuuming and stuff, but I could also just wait till I get home for all that and just like clean it out right now. So I think let's go do that. I'm like kind of scared to even show you guys how bad it is. Like I still have papers on the ground from when I worked at my job. Like this is so embarrassing. So from my car in the back seat, I literally still had stuff from when I worked my desk job. Like I had my blazer back there and stuff that I just never took out. I don't know what's wrong with me. I have more paper towels too that I just had full hands the other day, so I couldn't bring them inside, but I can stick them in this closet. It's not like the most unorganized, but like some of these parts of this closet could use some help. I'll stick that up there. Yeah, I just had like a lot of random like papers and like water bottles and stuff like that from, you know, when people come in your car and then they like drink a water bottle and they leave it in there, or like I left coffee cups and stuff. Now I'm just gonna keep using this trash bag and clean my room. It's nice coming home to a clean apartment after traveling too, so I prefer to do it all now than later. I know this is really exhilarating footage here. So I know that you guys are loving the giveaways. I only did one, I guess. Oh, actually, I'm about to post one on my Instagram today, so that means it's live right now. This is really exciting, so go follow me. Not sponsored to say this, but I'm doing a giveaway with Low Estrin, which is literally the birth control that I use. They're giving away a $500 Amex gift card to one of you guys. Like that's a lot of money, so I'm a little shook. So you guys can go over my Instagram and enter for that if you want to win cash. But cleaned out my car and I found all this stuff from literally over the summer that's never been touched, well, except for me putting in my car, I guess. These Babe hats when I worked with Babe, and they sent me a bunch of fun stuff. So I was like, I want to, you know, give all of these to someone that will take good care of them. And I have this whole bag here of a bunch of like beauty type PR that I just got like doubles of or whatever. I have some Drunk Elephant in here, some cool stuff, just because I get, you know, like I have like 3 of this cream right now. Like I don't need it. Like I want one of you guys to enjoy it. So I'll ship one of you guys a winner on this video. We'll do a giveaway. I'll ship you guys the stuff from Babe as well as some fun beauty PR. Just know, like I didn't pay for any of this stuff. It was all sent to me and I'm like sending it out. So like it's just so we're clear. But I'm very thankful to the brands who sent me stuff, but I feel like it's giving back to you guys. So to enter, I'll make it super easy. Just make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you thumbs up this video and then comment below with your Instagram handle, and then also comment what are your plans for New Year's? Good one, because I don't have any New Year's plans right now. I think I'm gonna come back to Boston, but I was also considering going to Atlanta because the flights weren't too expensive and Mariah's moving to Atlanta, so I'd have a place to stay. I don't know. Anyways, so that's what's up with that. And I think that that's really it for now. So I'll ship one of you guys the winner. Will end in 2 weeks. I'll put more of the details down below. Just make sure that you follow all the rules because I'll check. And yeah, happy holidays. I'm gonna put this all in a bag now so that I can have it all in one uniform place.
Please announce yourself.
Brooke, Miccio, hi.
Hi, Danielle's here. Hello?
Hello.
Elizabeth.
Hi.
Hey, Danielle.
Hey.
Hi, Brooke's here too. Hi guys, so we had a call with podcast 1 and now I'm on the phone with
I like took my hair out, but I was like, hi.
Hi. It looks so much bigger on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Look at that.
Oh yeah, I know. It's really elevated.
Really cool. So Danielle and I have been packing for New York simultaneously, like on FaceTime. It's been really cute. So I have everything laid out. We're debating who's gonna be the worst packer. Is it gonna be me or Danielle for this trip?
It's gonna be me for sure. Brooke's like planning outfits. I haven't even thought of that. So
I'm only gonna have like one good outfit per day. I feel like it's not gonna be a because you're a big changer, I know. So
I've chilled out a little bit, but yeah, I'm a big changer. Oh, also we need to figure out when we're gonna go to spin when we're there. Pack a workout outfit.
I will. Okay. Just went downstairs and picked up some packages. This one is from Smart Sweets. They send me stuff seasonally. I am so excited though. Like, wow. All of the flavors. These are my favorite, the sweet fish. And then I really like these ones, the peach rings. I literally bought these the other day. And then they sent me a whole box and some fun socks. Thank you so much, Smart Sweets. I usually buy mine from Whole Foods, but I know they sell them at Target now, all of the places. And then this is kind of exciting. This is just a new brand. I've never heard of it. The Inky List. Like what? I don't know how they got my address. It's always interesting when companies just send me stuff. And they have like, I guess it's skincare, but I think that the prices are pretty reasonable. I think that that's the concept. It's like the glycolic acid is only $10.99. They have this clay thing that's $6.99. So I guess it's like truly like here it says, newest batch of affordable skincare products with trending ingredients and punchy formulations. Cool. So they sent me like a bunch of their stuff. I get really nervous trying new skincare because my skin's been really like getting like these weird dry patches. So I just get kind of nervous, but it seems like they have some cool stuff. I don't know. Interesting. And I like how they sent it all in this little box. That's cute. The one thing that I was interested to try is this. This is caffeine and it's for your under eyes. So I thought that could be cool. So yeah, I've just been packing really all day. I was supposed to do some other stuff today, but I was determining like, should I go home Saturday? Should I go home tomorrow? And then I realized that I have a good bit of stuff to do at home. I don't even think I'm gonna go to SantaCon anymore. That's what I was gonna go home for and go to SantaCon on Saturday, but I'm pretty sure that I have a good bit of work to do even through this weekend. And I just wanna spend time with my mom. Maybe, I think she's gonna be home. I don't even know if she's gonna be home. Maybe some light shopping when I'm home for the trip to New York. So the new plan is that I'm going to drive home tomorrow, take the ferry, and then I will be home before it's evening time. Hopefully I'm gonna leave here at like 9, I think. This is the current packing situation we have. Oh, I did get my pajamas that I said I thought that they weren't gonna come in time. They did. They're from Victoria's Secret and I just got like a black set for pics. I hate myself. So what we have here, I tried to pack like outfits. I only have one pair of shoes packed right now, so that definitely has to change, but they are my new boots from Princess Polly that I'm obsessed with. Hopefully they're comfy because I haven't like broken them in or anything. And then on this side, I'm gonna bring coats. Well, I'm gonna probably wear one coat like in the car, I guess, but I have this teddy coat from IMG that was popular like 2 years ago, but let's bring it back. I got these Santa hats that I still have, even though I don't think I'm going to SantaCon, but I'm gonna pack them anyways. I don't have an outfit for SantaCon, so I really can't go, unfortunately, even though I got a lot of messages from you guys that you are going, which would have been fun, but I'll be bopping around the city all week, so maybe I'll meet some of you then. I have my podcast equipment in here. This can be moved to my like backpack. That doesn't need to go in there, but I'm gonna bring the whole setup. It's loaded up with the SD card and stuff in there. So we have the podcast equipment, and I'm bringing the spare mic too so that I can record with Danielle when we're there. What else? I'm starting to pack up makeup and skincare and stuff like that. I feel like I don't have enough clothes, if I'm being honest, but I'm just trying to get there. think I'm gonna bring this backpack again. This is from the brand, I don't know how to pronounce that brand, but it's a really good backpack because everything just kind of fits in here in the center part. I have my headphones, all my tech stuff, all of that will go in here, and then I'll bring my purse because I have to get out of my car like on the ferry and everything. So like in my purse, I'll bring my wallet, keys, vlog camera, all that stuff. I just did a really adult thing. I got my oil changed. It's the little things. I went to Vaz, I don't want to mispronounce it. It's the one with a V. Is it called, wait, they emailed me my receipt. Valvoline. Well, whatever it was. It was so fast. I just pulled right in. They were so nice. They checked my tires, they filled them up. Like, it was just incredible, incredible. So I would highly recommend that. I think I might make some HelloFresh soon and do a few computer things just to get my life a little organized. My apartment's looking very organized right now, actually, so that's a good thing, I guess. It's nice leaving it in a good state. You guys already know what is up right now. Showered. Here's the deal. Didn't eat all day. I hate when I do that to myself because then now I'm like so hungry. I'm gonna plug in my lights. Yay. Packing is going swell. But I'm hungry and I have HelloFresh, so I'm gonna make pasta. Very excited about this one. This is, what is this one? This is cheese tortellini in a mushroom sauce. That's like my ideal dinner, honestly. Love this, and it appears that it is not super complex, which is good because I'm hungry. My mom's about to be on TV, so I'll watch her while I cook. Love my life, truly. This might be my finest work yet. I am so excited. This is like my fave. It's actually not, I mean, I like a lot of different things, but I was in the mood for like a nice mushroom situation tonight, and tortellini just sounds so good. I feel like it looks really good, you guys. I'm proud of myself. I'm gonna sprinkle some Parmesan on top.
Right here, you get the beautiful Christmas tree with the bow. And I need you to pick out your favorite.
This is my first time listening to the Goop podcast, which is Gwyneth Paltrow's podcast. Yeah, I've just never listened to it. Nothing like, I don't know, I just never did. And I'm listening to this one, and it's such a different approach on manifestation than I've ever heard. And it's really, really interesting and good. So I'm definitely gonna listen to more of these podcasts tomorrow on my drive. Just finally got up Vlogmas from today. I realized I didn't really do too much today. I mean, I packed, I guess. I definitely am lacking stuff. I'm gonna do a few hauls when I go home. I think I'm not gonna go to SantaCon. I think I said that in this video. I'm not gonna go to SantaCon because I do have to like go shopping, not only for myself, but for gifts. Holy crap, I'm a little behind. I got my brother's out of the way and part of my mom's, but I need more for my mom, and I need to get my dad something. So gotta do that. I also want to mail some friends some stuff. I have some merch that I want to mail to Mariah and Maddie. Have to do that. They've been asking me, they're like, can you please send me merch? And I'm like, yes, I just need to get to a UPS store. Not that I haven't had the time, I just haven't gone to a UPS store in a while. I'm trying this new tea that CVS sent me. It's called Get Some Z's Herb Tea for Rest. Say goodnight to tossing and turning. I don't know, it's only 8:45, but I feel like it's time to wind down. I have this specific electric kettle linked on my Amazon shop, and it really is an essential. It's so good. I just love, you know, my hot water situation. People who live in the UK were like, Brooke, that's the only way we kettle, the electric kettle. It's also good, I guess, if you want to do like a pour over coffee situation. I do my Nespresso or my Keurig, but for hot water, for tea, this is the move. It makes it in like 2 seconds. All right, I'm wearing Champion sweatshirt and Fabletics sweatpants. These are the comfiest. They're like more of like a lounge pant. Ooh, what am I like pointing my toe like that? These are more like a lounge pant. I really wish I had my Townless sweatpants, but I don't have them right now. I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed because I'm gonna wake up early, and I booked my ferry for a certain time, but I know that the way the ferry works is that if you can kind of call and be like, hey, I'm running early, like, can you get me on the earlier one? So we'll see. I set my alarm for like 6:30, so we'll see, you know, what time my body wakes up, if I need more sleep or whatever, but I think I'm good to go to bed soon. I've had a day, but thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more. Well, if you're excited for the New York vlogs, because I'm home, I'll be home for the next 2 days and then NYC, and I know you guys like those type of videos. So I'll talk to you guys all super soon. Bye.